Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can use the AI filter in TikTok. So let's dive in. First thing you want to do is to go ahead to the create, and you want to search for effects, and you want to look for the AI filter effect. It's very easy to use. All you have to do is scan your face and it will generate an AI picture of you. So all you have to do is to stay still while it scans your face, and after it scans your face, it will generate an AI image of you in TikTok, and you can go ahead and post it in your story or in your posts. And that is it, guys. It's very easy. It's just a filter that you have to find on TikTok. And if you found this information helpful, be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this.